Hey everybody, this is Louis Rosman. How's it going? So I was riding my bike and I saw this really depressing situation and I want to share it with you guys. Which is the fact that the Chase a block away from my store has closed and is now up for rent. They took the ATM and everything. The only thing they left behind is this little Chase logo here. Look, they literally empty out the whole place overnight. I don't know why people are always giving Chase a hard time. They're not made out of money, they are just helping people by holding their money. It's practically community service. If anything, they should get a discount in rent. Like I've been telling you guys this whole time, New York City has gone to shit. What the fuck is the point of living here anymore? I was gonna pack up my shit, put a few bar friends on Paul and Chris, and zom out the fuck out of here. At this point, the only thing that's keeping me here is the fact that my favorite grocery store, Whole Foods, is still open across the street. By the way, there's Erica. I cannot believe I wasted my whole life teaching people how to fix MacBooks for free just so they could close down the Chase branch closest to me so I can't even count all the money I received. Unless I walk 4 minutes that way to another Chase branch. Which is ridiculous. Some of you might think I'm overreacting, but let me ask you this. Don't you know time is money? Why do you think rich people have so many bathrooms and toilets in their house? Cause walking too far to take a shit could cause them to lose thousands of dollars. Look at it this way. I started out fixing people's devices on the subway with no bathroom. Then I got my shithole of a store at 186 First Avenue with one bathroom. After I doubled my business, I moved out of there to 141 West 27th Street. And guess how many bathrooms I have? That's right, I have 2 bathrooms right now. I remember one time I was eating my vegan burrito at 347 and I was planning to sell my stocks right afterwards at 354 before the market closed. But the burrito wants to come out at 352. So I didn't have a chance to sell my stock. The next day when I saw my stock prices, I shit it in my pants immediately. I should just have shit it in my pants the day before. At least I will have the money to buy myself a new pair of pants afterwards. Right now I have 1 bathroom in my house. When you see me move out of here into a place with 2 or 3 bathrooms, then you know I have double or triple my net worth. No matter how much my net worth is, there's always someone in the comments saying I'm being paid by Apple. Let me tell you this. Of course I am. I put up repair videos trying to show people how difficult it is to repair MacBooks, so you can send me your MacBooks for me to fix. But no, you think you're just as smart as I am with your $12 Amazon soldering kit and try to do it yourself. After you sodomize the fuck out of the logic board with a hole so big not even Jesus could fix, then you have the audacity of sending it to me with a note saying, I follow your videos, it didn't work. Help me fix it, I only got $150. Please bro, love your videos, keep up the good work. Do you really think I could double my toilet counts anytime soon with that money? I honestly don't know why I get so much hate. There are people bitching about not being able to get CD3217s. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I already got Apple to sell it to you guys directly from their website. Just go to store.apple.com and select the model you need the parts from and press checkout. Some of you are saying, Louis, that's just purchasing a whole new laptop. No, what you're purchasing is a chip bundle at an affordable price. And if you need a chip extractor air station, you can get it at store.rossmangroup.com. I also single-handedly got you guys the independent repair provider program where you could get replacement parts for all the older machines too. This is why I don't understand why you guys think Apple is not repair friendly. Besides the landfill, I have in my possession the largest amount of dead MacBooks. Also, if you're wondering why I, Louis Rossman, sounds like a Chinese person today, I'm wondering the same thing. It must be Erica's Chinese cooking. You know what they say, you are what you eat. It's usually not a problem, but it seems like I haven't been using enough flux to counteract the side effects. Speaking of flux, you can get the right amount of flux at store.rossmangroup.com. Buy flux now and save yourself. Is that Erica? Stop laughing. Come on girl, this is serious. Erica, please point me to the nearest Chase. Over there, sweetie? Where the fuck is over there? God damn it, I'm having a mental breakdown. Fun fact, Erica calls Louis's PP King Kong cause she knows he loves wrecking the Big Apple. Hey white lady, you wanna see King Kong? Yeah, that's right, keep walking. King Kong doesn't wanna see you either. Anyways, I need to go find a Chase branch ASAP. As always, I hope you learned something.